Hi. It's not bedtime yet, sweetie.
Are you tired? Corn make you tired? Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no.
Working that little job.
Oh, Suda.
What time is it, guys?
Oh, 6:30.
No. You can't go to sleep yet, baby.
Hang in there.
Hang in there. Can we listen to some music? You want to listen to music? She looks stoned. She looks like she's on a morphine drip. So, wait.
Stay with us.
Stay with us. It's not bedtime yet. If you sleep now, we're never gonna go to bed, baby. Sula, medulla. Corn. You wanna go see the ducks? You wanna go see the ducks?
Yeah.
Yeah. No. Yeah. Let's get her out of that chair.
Oh my goodness.
So she won't fall asleep on us.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.